China's mega bridges have redefined engineering possibilities, earning admiration and shock from some of the world's top-rated engineers in New York. One project in particular, the Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge, left experts stunned. Stretching an unprecedented 55 kilometers across the Pearl River Delta, this record-breaking marvel combines a series of bridges, undersea tunnels, and artificial islands to connect three major cities. Constructed in one of the busiest shipping zones in the world, the project had to withstand typhoons, earthquakes, and intense marine traffic, all while maintaining a service life of 120 years. What shocked engineers the most was not just the sheer scale, but the precision required to sink the tunnel segments into the seabed and link them seamlessly. A task previously considered nearly impossible at this magnitude. The innovative use of floating cranes, GPS-guided alignment systems, and high-performance concrete demonstrated a mastery of engineering that has set new global benchmarks. As the world watches in amazement, China's feats continue to inspire a new era of ambitious engineering endeavors worldwide, leaving the question, how did they achieve the unthinkable? Each tunnel segment of the Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge, weighing 80,000 tons, required millimeter-level precision during placement, despite turbulent waters and high pressure beneath the sea. American engineers have praised this feat, noting it would pose monumental challenges even for the most advanced firms in the US. Before we continue, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. I'm working towards 1,000 subscribers and your support would mean the world. Don't forget to like and comment, it really helps out the channel. Another marvel that left New York engineers in awe is the Beipanjiang Bridge. Suspended an astonishing 565 meters above a canyon, this bridge is not only one of the highest in the world, but also a testament to China's unmatched engineering audacity. When China announced its ambitious plan to complete the project within 3 years, American experts were skeptical, predicting it would take decades to conquer such a challenging environment. Yet, in an incredible display of efficiency and innovation, Chinese engineers defied all expectations, delivering the bridge on schedule. Employing groundbreaking techniques like modular construction and utilizing high-strength materials, they overcame the extreme terrain, harsh weather, and logistical hurdles that had initially seemed insurmountable. China's engineering dominance stems from a unique advantage, its self-reliant approach. Unlike many nations that depend on global supply chains, China produces its own advanced materials and equipment, allowing for unmatched flexibility and innovation. For example, during the construction of the Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge, Chinese engineers utilized 420,000 tons of domestically designed marine-resistant steel, a feat that astounded the New York engineering community. This level of independence and technical mastery has left experts around the world questioning how China continues to achieve what others only dream of. But it's not just about engineering, it's about impact. These bridges are more than architectural feats. They are catalysts for regional transformation. The Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge, for instance, has redefined connectivity in the Pearl River Delta, slashing travel times between key economic hubs from 3 hours to a mere 30 minutes. This unprecedented efficiency has not only facilitated faster transportation, but has also unlocked immense economic growth, turning the region into a powerhouse of trade and innovation. Similarly, the Beipanjiang Bridge has revolutionized access to some of China's most remote and isolated areas. By bridging a canyon that once seemed impassable, it has paved the way for economic opportunities in regions where development was previously unimaginable. New trade routes, improved infrastructure, and easier mobility have breathed life into local economies, lifting communities out of isolation and into the modern era. These bridges are not just structures, they are lifelines, transforming the economic landscape and proving that ambitious engineering can lead to profound societal change. Even more impressive is China's bold vision for the future of infrastructure. Pushing beyond traditional engineering, the country is integrating artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, IoT, technology, into its next-generation bridges. These advanced systems will feature smart monitoring capabilities designed to optimize traffic flow and detect structural issues in real time, enhancing both safety and efficiency. By combining cutting-edge technology with their already proven expertise, China is setting the stage for bridges that are not only feats of engineering, but also hubs of innovation. This forward-thinking approach has captured the attention of New York's top engineers, who are closely observing and learning from China's groundbreaking advancements in infrastructure development. China's mega bridges aren't just feats of engineering, they are powerful symbols of vision, determination, and an unyielding commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These structures stand as testaments to the transformative potential of bold thinking, meticulous planning, and relentless innovation. For top-rated engineers in New York and around the globe, these projects are more than just awe-inspiring, they present a challenge and a call to action. How can the rest of the world keep pace with such unparalleled ambition? And what lessons can be drawn from China's relentless drive to redefine engineering standards? But when they see what China's accomplishing, it's like they're seeing the future, and it's both humbling and inspiring. The scale, the innovation, the sheer audacity of these projects, it's enough to make even the most seasoned engineers take a step back and marvel. Beyond their technical brilliance, these bridges embody a vision of what infrastructure can achieve, uniting regions, fostering economic growth, and reshaping the way people connect and interact. They inspire a future where engineering transcends utility and becomes a force for global progress. As the world watches China set new benchmarks, the question arises: are we prepared to match such determination and creativity, or will we simply marvel from the sidelines? The Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge. This thing is an absolute beast, stretching over 34 miles across the Pearl River Delta. That's like driving from Manhattan to JFK Airport, over water. This ain't just some straight shot across the bay either. We're talking a complex system of bridges, islands, and tunnels, all designed to withstand some of the strongest typhoons and ocean currents on the planet. Imagine the planning, the logistics, the sheer manpower it took to pull this off. It boggles the mind. And speaking of mind-boggling, let's talk about those tunnels. They didn't just drill a hole and call it a day. These tunnels are made up of massive, prefabricated sections, some weighing over 8,000 tons each. They had to lower these behemoths into place with pinpoint accuracy, underwater, and connect them seamlessly. Think about the tolerances involved, folks. We're talking millimeters of error over distances that would make your head spin. They used these incredible floating cranes and GPS-guided systems to get the job done. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. But hold on, because China wasn't content with just conquering the sea. They set their sights even higher, aiming to dominate the skies with their engineering marvels. They decided to take on the sky as well, with the Beipanjiang Bridge. This isn't just any bridge, it's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. This behemoth is taller than the Eiffel Tower, soaring over 1,800 feet above the Beipan River. Imagine standing at the base and looking up. It's a sight that can leave you breathless. The sheer height and the engineering prowess required to achieve this are mind-boggling. China, they built this bridge in just 3 years. 3 years. That's an incredibly short time frame for such a monumental project. To put that in perspective, some bridge projects here in the States take longer to get environmental permits than it took China to build the entire Beipanjiang Bridge. It's a stark contrast that highlights the efficiency and determination behind this project. They used this incredible modular construction technique, building sections of the bridge off-site, and then lifting them into place with these massive cranes. This method not only saved time, but also ensured precision and safety. It's like putting together a giant Lego set, except with a lot more steel and a lot less margin for error. Every piece had to fit perfectly, and the coordination required was nothing short of extraordinary. Now, one thing that really struck me about these projects is China's self-reliant approach. They're not afraid to develop their own technology, to train their own engineers, to rely on their own resources. And you know what? It's paying off. While the rest of the world is tangled up in global supply chains and political squabbles, China's out there getting things done. They're investing heavily in research and development, they're pushing the boundaries of engineering, and they're not afraid to take risks. And that's something we can all learn from, regardless of where you stand on the political spectrum. And these bridges aren't just feats of engineering, they're game changers for the regions they connect. Take the Kong-Zhuhai-Macao Bridge, for example. It used to take hours to travel between those cities, but now it's a quick trip across the delta. That means more trade, more tourism, more economic opportunity for everyone involved. And the Beipanjiang Bridge? That's opened up a whole new corridor for development in southwest China. connecting remote communities and boosting local economies. These bridges aren't just concrete and steel, they're lifelines, bringing people and prosperity to parts of the world that desperately need it. But here's the thing, China's not stopping there. They're already looking ahead to the future, incorporating cutting-edge technology like AI and the Internet of Things into their infrastructure projects. Imagine bridges that can monitor their own structural integrity, alert engineers to potential problems before they even occur. They're talking about self-driving cars zipping across these bridges powered by renewable energy sources. It's like something out of the Jetsons, and it's happening right now. China's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and the rest of the world is playing catch-up. So, what does all this mean for the rest of the world? Well, it signifies a major shift in the global landscape of infrastructure and engineering. For starters, it means that China is setting a new standard for infrastructure development. Their projects are not just large in scale but also incredibly advanced in terms of technology and innovation. They're showing the world what's possible when you combine ambition, ingenuity, and a willingness to push the boundaries of engineering. From mega bridges to high-speed rail networks, their achievements are nothing short of extraordinary. This is a wake-up call for the rest of us. It's a reminder that we need to innovate and invest in our own infrastructure if we want to keep up. We can either step up our game or risk getting left behind. The competition is fierce, and the stakes are high. And you know what? I think we're up to the challenge. We have the resources, the talent, and the innovative spirit that has always defined us. We've got the talent, we've got the drive, and we've got the spirit of innovation that built this country. Our engineers and construction teams are among the best in the world. If this glimpse into China's engineering prowess has left you amazed, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible stories of human achievement. From groundbreaking structures to technological innovations, join us as we continue to explore the extraordinary feats that redefine what humanity can accomplish.